An electrical power line having a total resistance of 2 ohms delivers 1 kilowatt at 220 volts. The efficiency of the transmission line is approximately efficiency neta is given by the power output upon the total power, which is the power output plus the power loss into 100. P is equal to IV. So I is equal to P by V, which is 1000 by 220, which is equal to 50 by 11 amperes. The power loss due to the resistance is given by I square R, which is 50 by 11 square into 2 ohms, which is equal to 41.322 watts. So we'll simply put in the values. Neta is equal to 1000 upon 1000 plus 41.322 into 100%. So neta is equal to 96%, and the correct answer is option 4.